CNM AU8 is a unique oral treatment containing specially designed gold nanocrystals that target energy production problems in the brain and spinal cord cells of people with ALS. This treatment specifically targets the energy metabolism deficits that occur in ALS, which may help protect nerve cells from damage. CNM AU8 functions by enhancing energy production in cells and reducing harmful oxidative stress that contributes to nerve damage. The treatment is taken orally as a liquid suspension. Although early studies didn't meet their primary goals, exploratory analyses showed CNM AU8, quote, has the potential to significantly slow clinical worsening, improve quality of life, and prolong survival in ALS. Researchers are using a protein called neurofilament light chain, NFL, as a measurable marker of nerve damage to help determine how well the treatment is working. In early human studies, CNM AU8 showed a favorable safety profile, with the most common side effect being mild temporary abdominal discomfort. Clene, the company developing CNM AU8, is planning to file for accelerated FDA approval in the second half of 2025. The FDA has indicated it might consider approving the therapy based on biomarker data, requesting additional analyses to support this pathway. In June 2024, Clene expanded its access program to allow 180 patients across the U.S. to receive CNM AU8 outside of clinical trials. This expanded access is supported by a 4-year National Institutes of Health grant totaling more than $45 million. The expanded program specifically aims to help patients in rural communities who typically have more difficulty accessing research centers. A large international study called Restore ALS is currently underway to further evaluate the treatment's effectiveness. The Northeast ALS Consortium, NIALS, hosted an educational webinar on October 9, 2024, sharing emerging long-term evidence of biomarker data, survival, and ALS clinical worsening improvements with CNM AU8. This represents an encouraging development in ALS research, with significant resources being directed toward making this potential treatment available to patients even as research continues.